back to my channel, this is Titi and today we are preparing a healthy energy smoothie. For this you will need 150 grams of spinach, 2 bananas, 1 orange, oula, what's happening here? Wardrobe malfunctions, I didn't tie the bow, my bad. Where were we? 1 orange, 1 grapefruit and 1 pear. If you enjoyed this video, please do push the thumb up. Subscribe to the channel for more cooking videos and turn on the notification bell to receive a notification every time I upload a new video. Alright, let's get started now. Let's get this energy started. I think I already have enough. Place 150 grams of frozen spinach into the blender. Then peel and slice 2 bananas. Add the slices to the blender. Peel and cut 1 pear into tiny pieces. It's not mature at all. I just bought it today and it's like a rock. So we shall see how the whole juice ends up. But please do choose something that is not green, like juicy. Remember to remove the seeds. Place the pieces into the blender. Cut 1 orange in half and cut 1 more slice for the decoration. Then press it and pour the juice into the blender. Cut 1 pomelo in half. Press it and pour the juice into the blender. Mix, mix, mix. serve. Cut the slice in half, then cut the half in half. Once you have 4 tiny triangles, you are going to place your knife just below the skin and cut it until it reaches the bottom of the triangle. Finally, place the decoration on your bowl and enjoy! You know what? I completely forgot. I removed my sleeves. Cheers! Oh my gosh! I like it. We can't taste the spinach that much. It's so fruity. This fruit is the perfect balance between the fruits and veggies. What I love the most about this smoothie is the fact that the 2 bananas and the 1 orange counterbalance the bitterness of the grapefruit. Wow! Oh my gosh! I have the mustache, a green mustache. I want a little big. Done! So tasty! Try it out! And let me know in the comment section how it went. What did you think about this smoothie? I would love to hear your comments about it. And so subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Please do so. Oh my gosh, I would be so happy to count you in our cooking family. I'm so pleased to have 34 subscribers now. When I'm not sure, I can say I'm so pleased because I thought it would be much faster. But I'm very grateful for the first 34. I'm ready to see you in another video.
Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful deal.